In this video, we will talk about the general idea to measure the variability. So in previous video, we talked about how to measure the central tendency. So we learned the mean, median mode, and geometric mean and weighted mean. The important thing after learning those concepts is you need to know at what condition you should use which statistic to measure the central tendency. In other words, what is the advantage and the disadvantage for each measurement. And we will use the same logic to learn the measures of the variability or measure the dispersion. So it is often desirable to consider measure of the variability or dispersion as well as the measure of the location. So here is an analogy. Think about if you want to draw a circle, what do you need? So actually, if you want to draw a circle, you need two elements. One is where is the center of the circle. The second, and how large is the radius. Once you identify the center and the radius, you can draw a unique circle. The same idea for measuring summarize the data set. Once you know the central tendency and you know the value for variability, you will very easy to get the idea about the data set. So for example, in choosing the supplier A or supplier B, we might consider not only the average delivery time for each, but also the variability in delivery time for each. So the first we will learn is the range. The second we will learn is variance. The third is the standard deviation. And the last one is the coefficient of variation. We will learn how to calculate all of them. The second is how should we use Excel to calculate them. And the last is how should we choose the proper way to measure the variability.